Welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to change your Fitbit app clock to display time in a 24-hour format. Many users prefer this setting for clarity, especially if you want to avoid confusion between AM and PM. First, open the Fitbit app on your device. Next, tap on your profile photo located at the top right. Then, scroll down and click on Fitbit Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Date, Time and Units, and tap on it. Next, locate Clock Display Time, which will allow you to choose how the time is shown on your Fitbit app. You will see two options, 12 hours and 24 hours. Simply select 24 hours to switch your clock to the preferred format. Your app will now show time in the 24-hour format immediately, making it easier to read at a glance. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with friends.